To organise your reference list, first you'll need to select all of the references you've placed down on your Word document. I've created a reference section, which you should do for your assignment, and then I'll simply left click and hold and drag all the way down, selecting all my references. From here, make sure you're in the Home ribbon and navigate to the Paragraph section to the Sort button. From here, select the Sort button and then press OK. This will alphabetically organise your references by the starting letter. Then all you need to do is format the references to where you would like. Now by default this removes all of the spaces between the references. I like to keep the spaces in just because it separates those references out from one another.